So for the past few days, my family and I have been renovating the house that I grew up in. During this process, my little brother and I decided to switch rooms. So for the next few days, I'm gonna be building my dream bedroom / gaming room. And I thought, why not take you guys along with me? First, let me show you guys what we're working with. Alright guys, I want to give you guys an overview right before we get started. As you guys can see, clothes and shoes all over the place right now. I do have the bed on the ground because I don't have a bed stand for it yet. I have the tripod over there, some of the boxes over there because they do have my monitors and some of the stuff that I ordered to put in the new room. It is a very open space. I do have an open closet area, which is a very nice thing and a very bad thing at the same time because your clothes get dirtier fast and my fan not working at the moment right now, so it is a bit challenging dealing with this. So we're gonna make it as nice and neat as possible and see how this room transformation come along. Let's go ahead and start cleaning up the space and get these things out of the way so we can start building stuff. Let's take the ultra wide monitor, put it on the side, and the arms, put it this way. We're gonna start with the this thing is heavy. We're gonna start with the new desk. I gotta find something to cut this thing over. 1 second. Very nice. First of all, let's take this out, put it to the side, this board out, put it to the side. Everything in one box. Oh, this one is the heaviest one. Yeah, there's a motor on it. Let's place you on the floor. Then I'm going with. I'll just throw it on the side for now.
One hour later.
Alright, this one is done with. Done with, man. I feel like I need a break, bro, because I've been working all day long and oh I grabbed one of those too. So this is for my computer, which will easily be sitting down on this, like this. All right.
But remember, don't hesitate to call on me for anything. Like you said, a human being, I'm going to make you take that chance. Things have been different for me ever since I met Hildy. I've never met anyone quite like her.
Pourquoi elle force moi à fazer uma suspeita? Mas
$298 frozen patties later. Two hours later.
alright guys, I believe I'm done with the hard part. I managed to put both of the screen.
8:01 p.m.
This is where I was able to get at today. I finished the setup for the computer. We do have a couple of more things to do, but right now I'm starting to like how it's turning out. Let me see. Everything should be already connected. 3, 2, 1. It should be both sides, I believe. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, so I'm just about to make my bed so I can sleep for the night. Tomorrow I'll probably be working on the bed, getting this thing off the floor. Probably make like a floating bed type of style. I'm not sure what exactly I'm gonna do to the bed yet because I still have the old bed frame. And yeah, this is where we at. Boom, computer setup. Wall gonna have a very nice, beautiful TV here. This corner, we're thinking about putting some bookshelf. I might do that tomorrow too. And we already have the shelf here. We already have everything in the closet looking nice. All we gotta add on to the closet is the LED lights and fix these clothes and get some new ones. And of course, I gotta get rid of this trash. I'm probably gonna do this right now before I go to sleep and make my bed. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. And yeah, peace.
The next day.
It's a freaking struggle getting this thing out of here, but we're getting the job done regardless because we don't have that much time today. It's only today that I have off. Well, I don't even have today off. I literally had to. No, I just not gonna show up today. But I don't have today off officially, so. So I was gonna do 10 on the 4x4s, but I feel like that's a bit too much. So I'm gonna try with 8. If that's not gonna be enough, I'm gonna come back and get the 2 more that I needed. But for now, that's what we have. We have 8 of them right now. I'm about to go get it cut I just can't see where I can cut them. Oh, I think it's down there. So let's go down there and get that thing cut. Next time you get a board longer than 8 foot, because you get more out of it. Because if you got a 16-foot board like this, that would have already given me everything that I needed. Everything you fucking cash. And then you spend less money. 16, these 8 footers, you use about, say 4 of them. It'll give you in half of that. 16. Cut them in half, you still got 2 8 right? You know what I'm talking about? You still had your numbers right. Say if you and then guess what you still got on the back end? You got long on the back end too. If I'd have cut 10, if I'd have cut the 10 off, you'd have 2 more feet on here. But you're spending less money because you're buying less boards. Way less boards. Yeah. I got there a little bit. I'm right back to say you got right. Damn, that's it. Where do I find the nails at? Nails? 15. 15. Right, that's 15 right there. All the fasteners and everything for sure. Guys, after spending all day doing this thing, here's the result of what I was able to accomplish for the day. So we have everything set up. Of course, some people were like, is it sturdy enough? Yes, on some side it will be sturdier than others because of where these thing place. Like say on top of this, I can literally just stand on top of that. And as you go further, it do get like dangerous. Yes, I can stand on the side too, but not straight to the edge. Remember, it's a floating bed. So if I put some weight here, that doesn't mean the thing gonna like come and fall down with me. Or if I put some weight on the side of it, that doesn't mean they're gonna come and fall down to the side. Cause look at the stand, bro. The legs are sturdy, bro. So what I need to do is, I don't like how this side coming out, because these are the side that will be facing on the outside. Like say the bottom of this. So tomorrow, no, not tomorrow, maybe next weekend whenever I'm off, I'll go and buy some cover for the sides, cover for all the sides. I don't know what exactly I'm gonna do for the headboard, but for now, just expect to see something maybe that high or just the ceiling high. I don't know where exactly it's gonna end. It's just, I know it's gonna be a crazy one. And yeah, this was the result of a day work.
Je n'ai pas l'argent pour avoir tous ces gens à mes pieds scandant, vénérant et chantant mon nom et mon talent. Je n'ai pas la thune pour t'emmener sur la lune, dire bonjour à Saturne, admirer la lagune de Vénus et Neptune. Mais moi j'ai plein d'amour